ono awaha
na mu say wa to be gina community mu say me man wo fi wo mu su wo na chi but me too me feel because there was a spiritual boundary between me and my mother. And my mother is a good woman. And my done it back. So this brother of mine scattered everything. Me ba na omo pa me we. One time, I'm telling you. Me say one time you that sorry na me mama ya stop na you too hot to cook akra. And the paniko yi e mo sa pack sa she ni bi. No yi ba ko yi sardine too. Me ni yan go pon ni ko fa ni perfect room so Mcbrown ya na ye mia we de ye many comfort na me pie mia me fie na ye me ho.
Bishop.
Yeah.
Your own brother.
That's why.
Your family.
That's why. And
you say a downfall. Bishop Nyarko. Is that how far life took you?
Me far. The movie wasn't part of my dream. But Bible says God takes away the first so that he can restore the second. Movie wasn't part of my dream. But when you're in the more benya bayaman here because obi kwasa had the meeting ko di obi sikama e be ye fraud be but I say bebre.
Oh no.
So one time me TV a me tre story. Na later you buy say or pe hobby the transfer me fa nko. To mo ko na wan short ni pa no so me ye bushia pe na me say me na nye ho. Me kasa wi ase wo kan say a new star is born. And who cried and made me jai community. I realized my soul was wandering. I felt like ending it all because and they were always giving ill and bad report about me. Which you catch my because say, "Oh, banning the behavior on them KTS and the trials are on my belt." Now, a bad time or done it back. So, what can I say?
Exactly.
I catch you, say, and near ma or the man falling near my in a film, no say, or sound will be a while. Connection said, be see that. That's what my mother said. And I mean, you know, what did you at to her? Mama said, Debbie, I don't need you again.
How did you manage to bring back your mother to your bosom?
I mean, it was too mysterious and divine. Bible says in the fullness of time, God makes all things beautiful. When I mean, we are up to fast 2 years, the very people that he was working in almost now I feel like fast for Bani a bompire. Because they were telling me, say, you dream, up till now, say, what if footsteps?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. What if footsteps? Because one time, the outside who said, mobile phone, but do not a shot.
Oh no.
I mean, I'm going to have footsteps around the house. And the dog will not back Kramano, a podi adinechi. You say, someone boy is oh, I'm not going to do my van now with the air pure water. No, you look for a dead body. Nana, or you'll be a accident. We live as well as some bumpers of baboons and you didn't know it. This thing came into the house, it was hunting us. Na area CBBI and Piebo. Because if you stay there, imagine say, I will end with him. Because then me yase or him pong and lamfem then kwati ponkoso. Very painful.
Yeah.
In my own very eyes. Then you call a cotton period and a bar, but on the mighty D. None ma a rigere in Chinafra.
Jesus.
If I did dandelion with ensure go and dandelion, I mean, one and no, sir. Eminya Maria and Menya. There's no food in the house for me to eat with my kids. That's why when I'm acting, I shed tears because these are some of the things that me kai. Na a balance that's why I'm humble more. I also learned when you are in crisis, you get to know your true friends.
Yes.
A lot of people are me frabuchi by we jiska, we bejibushia, me kwa we hear me all of them turn their back to me.
Jesus.
And they are the very people who are saying bad things about me. To me, so let me be someone say, "Area si bene." And no man, the beer, me born of the same cry. Mentias you, that song. Or say, addition of feminine quarter because me who say, and yet normal. And the area was sleeping to and they were against my brother because who say, I dear no normal. And now, me mama still lose total control because also no more hypnotizing. Spiritually, no more the mamma question that we are. The name mamma kasa and some me catch mamma no nyan semwa a back catch mamma. The mama also started say okay see me. The idea when me say be sumbiano na ye no me because na zibabi abejuna between me and my mother. And I said to myself, say, come, what are you fighting for? Now I see a man who eat pure water, such a meal, the bar bunkole, be 7 years petrol somewhere. Up to now, 7 minutes, so I may take cow here. I mean, up to now, I'm to say, there's some simple fracture. Na kasa nyamu many a barrier be put yet be a yana me can't do no go police case cannot be three for negative to be tribute police for it at time. At one time be one the piece I was supposed to have a pack a car. Before the news catch him say almost a banner year caller or catch police for some of your mama.
Yeah, your brother no my girlfriend no.
That's right.
Police for show now what be
that's right.
For phone after police for say you are there
because
so they should come and
no person be free for your now yeah you know so your worms your sir or why and be go very sharp pa Mr. Trust this it be never be an so me so na we am 17 no me sane na so me hasa and me hasa there's a mark and it tramia and blood was oozing out of my hair na me see for me go far I part of forest more I'm to tumure man and be pay me road na me far car ko the question I ask myself since a dear morning and my a near be an person in your binya baby in a tito na abrabono Makafui to me more tears in ped that's your name and to me the accounted all joy say a bass I'm going to put in the money good here or say a bass for now no I've learned a lesson I also realized in this life if you want to go fast you go alone but if you want to go far you go with somebody they say when you are no a man soon or no
free ho or no man intend to say
no friend my say go so back but man say never again
the storm is over
yeah never again
so wakumemuno have you forgiven him because based on somehow kind of he's done you a lot of harm than good have you forgiven him
very challenge but let me hear from one and
why the tears in your eyes
the tears in my eyes you know when you know I said I've seen it all my fajem my double asoda maybe you may please for the pamia and koda cemetery the tears in my eyes since I may per se if you need to be a woody or tears yes a home brave who are na you can find free Christ made or bar na the boss the madam couldn't have virgin no have scattered the a home brave you what na home brave a dream the dink of what say be able to within the pan at bathroom but the back say you cannot fight the righteous because Bible say you're not sabe can David no na sacrifice the koshia I count it all joy say Saturday night buy no a share me ding. I'm meeting once say this is it. My son is shed yes just because many the reason being that and ye me ya kwan do na me do be so be do it. By pam fifie no. Already share me no share me. Enti me share me ye yo na nye nipa bia e already adum bia na dam so from me na yam. Na can you per se can be more than my brother basana saying all sorts of things about my life. Amen. Because man proposes, but God disposes. Bible says many are the devices of man, but nevertheless, or say nevertheless, it is only the counsel. Nobody can take the credit. It is Him alone
that's
that
right.
gives the praise. Amen. I don't begrudge. No one may come to call car for now have cars. On me comes a cow, she can get to have money. A Yamisha the money proud for. He meant evil, but the Lord made it good.
Na oyini free ho.
Okay.
Na me say sir, o say nyame adni fa ho e tempera. I'm say okay. Today be am so me bomb pie man say rade. Movie no and share that all that deep Christianity rooted place. Both Bible say in shiny pound afedi for champion. Because when you be no, ebu anem wow. Intine emu ana nan say your friend say, bra Afia brother so say
93.5 FM.
Eyi me free for kwambo no. Enti o starting preaching ni ade. Enti emu na yare no abe kan enti omo friend so yare. Ena me frɛ me mother me catch mother say and yes I don't feel like there be emra enti already buy no no frɛ mo lenders a unu anye na me say enti I saw me call hospital enti me call hospital ne am check ni ade am scanning ni paduan hwe anu say yare a ha dwen cancer enti okofa no hospital omo an operation they operated him but omo operation omo say no there's something wrong. He said, nah, it was too late. Wow. And then they have to refer us to Tema, which is cancer doctor. Also, no, in Medikal, we were landing. And I also started the treatment. It's a little bit better. I was saying, I drain it down. Into no, no, na you time kakao. Into no, you need come paibo. Senior, or batambe ye ni a sorry in paibo hospital. And nobody feel like almost from the doctor said no I feel like them. I know at the same time we can pay ticket crana on my man because that's the from London medications and nobody bought almost about 2,000 pounds or box and no just say all type of medicine but not for you anymore ID. In terms of doctor say from College Hospital what is Monday in terms of now say almost see a debe on tear some king show on the yemni then I say why emre yeah day
Now yare answer na one here.
Me nua Bernard ye wono takrade
Me person just yare na wo here.
Cancer of colon.
Okay. It's long intestine.
Intestine between the young Sarkodie so funny. Nti na say omu yi ni we ni buy send e be obonyo so family ade. Nti no person obi a be ben. Nti no man for blaming my mother. We want my mother to see them, but he don't want people to see me in that his condition.
It's
okay.
Number one.
Yes. Until doctor you had to call Rich Hospital, yes, and I say, and your mamu
omo you surgery how do say?
Only one. Okay. Or not hospital, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Until no you had to Barry Hospital, omo ya na say doctors and report to me say things are but not nya kan yem paibo. Na mo so mo bobom paye. Onyame nhira mo.
Amen.
Me catch out of nyina say enye ni pa nyina na sabi nso hwe to a omo beta wachi. Na job ka sem bi o say no how ba me so kra no. Me no na nom didi. Na me wo anigye mu no afio how ba so mu nyina mu dwane agya. Etini pan so hwe ba so ana hu adofo.
Right.
In the times of trouble, then you know the loved ones.
Right.
Not in the times when you are dining and drinking with people. Until me TV so I catch out the phone just a Vision FM. Nyame mu nyina mo mpa mo say dwumadi o mu di Nyarko'S ma yede be. Enkoso because me ni mabusua nyina da o mase. Nyoma ye no I will never forget until Jesus Christ call me. Intimate radio suni TV so edda mu nyina say onyame also no. No konkron. And share them hanyama from here. You people have to move from here and do greater things more than this.
Amen.
May the Lord of heaven open doors more than these doors ahead of you. May the whole world hear you people's name.
Amen.
Into no, about sound like I say, Afia, I'm waiting to me down. Yeah, no more friends say, which is 5:30. No friend say bishop. A film. Now, make us a bishop or no, and Yamin a friend.
I believe
he died victory in the Lord. Yamfana kobusun biao.
Praise
Mcbrown be a penny. I've told my mother they should not even mention any other God apart from the God of Israel, which is Jesus Christ. Into unyamimu. Into yam the tearful nyina se say omu nyina de on pai bata echi. Na bisi mremu omu so ma support yen. Na oma boy ma bibia e bia na akoso into no tearful Vision FM 4 ne adofo nyina Bishop fan for nyina unyami shiramo. God bless you guys. I love you all. God
We
bless
love you. We love you. We are part of the family now, and I believe strongly say, yenyina no yeba beboa na yakata yenua nachi. Na me sure say 1 week in mind timunya nya nhihye bia.
And me papa be ban na bushafo no ahia na.
Okay.
They decided because the coronavirus, we have to extend things until Nana open the borders and the doors for people to operate. Yeah,
very well. Papa, I mean, you're not kakakra to sumaye na afi intiminya busua kwan.
You know, I want to really thank God for Bishop Brother. Na meda ebrade asema yewre ya nano lady call nana to Rich Hospital. Me pese me de ebrade asekese Emma Bishop Mame. Mommy, baby I will be we want you to know say say Bishop Sarkodie nanso yenna ye wa ha ye wo ma, and we love you. So said you make a hospital hona no me say Timo say ye here we need you inti yesere wa me brade kwan no ncheche wo wire maye na won so wakoma mu maye na you know ebeye emfasode akase ni nshira kase de mai. Secondly or thirdly, let me tell one more, these, you know, some of these funny bloggers and crazy people, you know, talking rubbish and crap. I mean, Kasemon Fanchumuna, Adia to be mammy, Adia to be me, Adia to be Benny, Adia to be a bussy, and Adia to be a sorry many, Munyamun Sim, no. I'm telling you the truth. Because Mcbrown mua Bishop kura sorenne na wohunu se modeni photo kura to bo ekabibia, he will be very shocked about you. If you shanimu ni nya shomfo Ghana phobi, I'm telling you, especially in the industry that he found himself in. I'm telling you. Munyanse no makasa machiramo. And let us greet and mourn him honorably. Let's honor him for who he is and what he stood for. Please. Timika zene mame yebe for ube timia kasa chira o mame. Can you say that muri munse unu ni frimufia ere kongrofufie? What kind of nonsense is that? Munyai Sadi, you know, that beautiful woman does not deserve that kind of attitude. Please. Meka sema chiramo. And adofwe tiefwa refwa, the love you have shown to this wonderful family when you mean shiramo. We will still, you know, as we commiserate with the family, we are still, you know, soliciting your prayer considerations. You know, you know, they're facing the cameras and, you know, making it look like they are, you know, strong and all that. But the kind of pillar, no, I couldn't sleep, you know, Friday, Saturday, and how much more, you know, such close people? I couldn't sleep. And now I'm in the movies and me say, my God, Yashira dear. Yashira dear. The man was a message to this generation. Na said ya no when you meet me will be changed. Na ya guguru we don't get the message. The Bishop message you released in January, which went so viral, you know. Utie content.
The content.
What kase, you know, he was prophesying to the body of Christ, to this nation. I read a whole. Now, ye soon dear, but ye soon to someone in any that so. Free say tias here to me you woo you woman would yet tias you woo ye would it here. Eti Papa Munshadi what?
Yeah.
By Bujin Amachipa.
Very well.
Munganjamo me say you don't know. Ye na ye and ma we are here for it is well.
Okay.
And I want to
Papa.
you know, you are a blessing.
Papa, Nana obeyi as a trainer, sabi mi kubi no man kabidie. And ye enkoyi. Nana ete saying.
Nyamiadom.
Ona say obeboy amane asana ye tugidi anamo edi aba. Na ohe that time nana senior nana ash empabo ehye no nika ehye no ne atade ehye na obi nka nche osa branti na ni abre. Because so when nimre ya untim fa santade ni mepie mu ha. There's on care atade ehye that time no. we say ani bra ensoja ana moni adwuma wate de obeya ama onua na waye no yanhwe ne da ho mu no ade aniema na osua free mu ensem na bishop ka kire wo tamana yade no mu nhye da nya edene no
mesua na Mcbrown na
It's number one.
mentumi nka na na mehunu sɛ enipa tiase na sɛ one care about that person no ye mehu sɛ na mesenka ne mfa bishop tiase adɔfo eba ne nkyɛn ndamfo eba ne nkyɛn na ɔtɔ aduane ma mu di na ɔhwɛ ɔmo tɔntare ma ɔmo na bibi at bishop no be ntumi ntune ne nsi hɔ a na nama ɛka asɛm bi wɔ TV so that was Andra sɛ ɔfrɛ bishop sɛ ɔba bɛsra bishop na bishop ama ne kwan na merɛ hoye na mebɔ mama mane ɛyɛ yɛ maame sisi to be frank osunye na meka kyɛ mama sɛ mama hyɛ den yɛ deɛ yɛho anden ɛkoyɛ ba anyi na ijama irade ni irade pe na oye
na mu abusua no mu si nkrofo kwan ana
yensi nkrofo kwan sa
mam kasa kra on say people don't know what is inside.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you are outside you don't know what is inside.
Yeah.
Until say somebody who is inside will give you that information. Into no information we are ot that's 1 year research na o judge. The Bible said that the wrong judgment God was going to judge that person. Or say that shall not judge. That is you don't know. So when you media and judges say nipa say.
Yeah.
Until say nipa na warning channel can say, oh, ebi me no na say na de na edebe. Etie. Bishop yare no. Edu level bi no. No who say no yare no the situation no. O hear more rest. Na fe so na nkrofo no bi o background na the mobile phone. Na ba hwetwa. No, yes, most of them they just want to sabotage you.
Say omo pese omo hu nkrofo wa deja
yes, yes, enye ni penya na do. Na fi se ni penya na se ni sian sabi omo do. Debi. Entina esa no catch me mama no from London said osilo. Me catch me mama na me catch me nyam so bia ba ne na for movie actors so. If your family call obi back to say no I don't see you. Satan no one not to be sorry kodun so bia. Until when such a man instructions so no dey ne ho ne nkrofo man man who is me or my mother to tell my mother say no we are not going to allow that we allow people to come. No, he give that authority and then instructions for us to proceed. Say ma wo Isaac ma obia move you when you obia man.
So it was based on nkrofo na omunya opportunity by that time na ombetwa the pictures your madwen say omo de kwochere no ma kire nkrofo say hey bishop na de atu ni.
Yes,
and inti man see sa gina ye no
enti na ban sa no so o man nkoso sa and on him nkrofo no oni momo sometimes they biting too much. It's in authority, no any instruction from Bishop himself.
Okay.
The mother is an innocent woman.
Yeah, I know.
And no mother will hate his child. Absolutely. He's a very lovely woman. Into one man now in him. And to be catch it for say, you're very careful. When they hear something, they have to be very careful for the judgment they will proceed. In the Bible says, and judge it. Because we are in the sight of God. When God analyzes the whole story, no one say we are wrong. That's the judgment of God will come upon you. So you should not judge. Otia, momodia so be make sure say won sade no wa wakun na enukre. Nti atiefo wo de mesrabo. Nyamwetino aya yenye very careful na yankoka sin bia manyakopon aso dia de be. Amayeso. Ti asa meka no.